To integrate this function, look carefully. You have sine x and cos cube x. That is 3 and 1 is 4. So if you divide both numerator and denominator by cos to power 4x, what do you get? 3 is this, 3 plus 1, 4. That's what we get the idea. And let's check what happens if we divide by cos to power 4. Our integral will look like 1 divided by cos to power 4x. And this, then we have sine x and cos to power 3x divided by cos to power 4x. It will look like this. Our numerator is now integration of sec to power 4x dx. However, the denominator would look like 10x because you see cos cube and cos to power 4x, only 10x is left. Sin x by cos x is left, that is 10x. Now this is in terms of 10 in sec. We have sec square x also in numerator because this part, which is sec to power 4, can actually be written as sec square x into sec square x. Yes. Now we want to change everything else in terms of 10. Because then if you put 10x is equal to t, then sec square x dx will be dt. So what we want to do next? We want to write sec square x as 1 plus 10 square x. 1 plus 10 square x. And this sec square x as it is, no problem, sec square x dx. And this divided by 10x. Divided by 10x and integration of this. Now we can put 10x is equal to t. What we are going to do next, we are going to put 10x is equal to t. Then the derivative of 10x is sec square x. So we will get sec square x dx is equal to dt. All right. So we can write here sec square x dx will be equal to dt. Now your integration is going to look like this. Integration 1 plus t square divided by t into dt. That means it is integration of 1 over t. Now we'll split it, no? 1 over t plus t square by t. And t square by t is t and dt. That means now if you integrate this, 1 by t is log t and t would be t square by 2. All right, can we write it here? Of course, yes. Okay, so we are going to write our answer in terms of x here. First we'll write integral. Integral would be equal to log of in terms of t plus t square by 2 plus c. After this, we will have this step and we would like to retain the value of t. We need some space here. So this is equal to, when you retain the value of t, you get that is equal to log of t was 10x. Yes, log of 10x and plus 10 square x by 2 plus c. So this is your final answer.